Hey guys, it's me, the Gintu Gamer, and today I'm going to show you how to use the replay mod. I got this video idea from Ruby. They have a YouTube channel, check it out. If you ever want to affect any of my future videos, have any ideas, let me know, leave a comment, and maybe if I use it, I'll give you a shout out just like this one. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay guys, before you record any replay mod, you're gonna need to download Fabric and the replay mod, both links in the description. And once you put in your mods folder, load it all up, there'll be a new button called Replay Viewer. You click that, and that's where all your replays, your recordings, are gonna show up. But before you do any recordings, I would try to configure some of the settings. First of all, you're gonna need to turn record server on. Just pretty much copy all these settings. This one right here is more, well, you don't really need to change it to off. It's on by default, but I prefer it off because I like to record a YouTube video without a giant red icon on the top right. And what else would be default? Automatic recordings usually on. I like turning it off so I can turn on and off the recording when I'm there, and it's not just automatically recording, but that's again my preference. Anyways, once you change all the settings, you hop on whatever single player world or multiplayer server you want to record in, and once you're ready to record, all you really do is you go hit escape and hit start recording. It'll leave a chat message saying the recording started, and it's pretty much recording everything I do right now in the render distance. And then I can also pause it if I want to pause the recording temporarily, and then resume it whenever I want. And then once I'm done recording, I can stop it. Oh, look, an egg. I can stop it, and I'm out of food. Leave the server, give me a second. Okay, leave the server, and then it'll save the replay file. It'll ask you to put a name in, just name it whatever you want, blah blah blah, but you hit this to delete it, and this if you want to save it. I'm gonna delete it because I don't want it, right? So let's go to a replay file, and I'm gonna use one of the old replay files I used in the last season of Never Stop Gaming, my SMP I'm in. Let me go and load that world. Wait, that's the wrong one. Hold on, where is it? The right replay file. Here it is. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm loaded into the world, and it will be playing by default, but I paused it. To pretty much interact with top controls, hit slash. You may not be able to see any controls. I mean, in the recording, but my mouse cursor is here, and that allows me to interact with the buttons. And once you want to move your in-game mouse, hit escape, and you're able to interact with the mouse. The camera controls are normal, WASD, shift, space, mouse, you know, all the normal creative Minecraft controls. Or more like spectator, since you can go through blocks. But this is my, NSG base from last season, the first season I was in. I had a treehouse base. Some of you guys were here when I made it, some of you weren't. It's a pretty cute little tiny base. I miss it a lot. Oh my gosh. The slime pet, I forgot about that guy. Look at him. What did we name him? I have no memory of it. Look at that. Oh, that's the glitch. You just hit P to play, and that will go away. Look at all those. I thought I saw a glitch. Look at all those pigs. But pretty much, in this episode, in this replay recording, I built a boat. So we're gonna do the tutorial on that. So pretty much hit P to play, right? And slash to interact with these. You can affect the speed. It's like I go to 8.0 and it goes really fast. Down goes super slow. Let's go back to 1.0. Another control is J and L. That is what you use to do the spins by default. Just rotate the camera. when you're doing replay mod videos, don't go too dramatic on that. But, you know, it's there if you want it. It's pretty cool. And then, what's it? It's K to center. So, if you want to go angle in on the center quickly, you just hit K, and it perfectly recenters the camera. Let's skip forward and find out where am I starting to build the boat in this episode. Oh look, it's Forget Me Not. Here I am. Okay, here I am. Hello past me. I went a little bit forward, but oh well, it's not going in the video anyways. Look at me. I'm looking at exactly what me a few months ago was doing, back when I didn't have 1,000 subs. I don't know how many subs I have then, probably like, I don't know, 200? Look at me. Gentu, I look the same. Building a nice little boat, being the ocean in his little natural habitat. Anyways, let's pause that. And what I like to do, hit slash. This is a timeline. This is like the... Okay, this is where you set the camera position and time. This is the normal timeline track. So, pretty much, let me skip forward. I like to go about 18 seconds in, and let's say I want it to be over here, right? Let's just start the recording over here, the time lapse. And I add a position. Yeah, okay, ignore that. And I add a position and time. You need both of them there, or else it will mess up. Then let's just play. Let's go forward a while. Right? Let's pause that. Let's go forward a while. I don't know, up to here. And let's move forward a bunch, right? That's not enough. And then I'm gonna go hit J to rotate the camera and go get another angle. Look at that. And pretty much I just go to my second camera position wherever I want, and then I'll at position keyframe and add a time keyframe. Now I go back to the beginning, right? I just say play camera path from cursor position. I hit that button and it will play. Give it a second. Here it is. Look at that. And that is a working time lapse. Of course, you don't have to make it offset. You can have it all... That's a weird glitch. What? That's weird. I must have had to go too fast, but that's never happened to me before. But, now, how do you render one is another question, huge question. Well, there's a render button, but you need an external software thing to do that, so I've never figured that out. I decided it wasn't worth it. What I instead do is I just take my recording software, right? I go here, I start recording, and I have maybe a little bit beforehand. Let's clear these, actually. Give me a second. I want to make some edits to this to make it more recording friendly. I'll go back to where I want to start the time lapse. Right? I have a little bit here, just frozen. Yeah, okay. And I go play a bit. Should have a little bit for the camera to adjust before the time lapse. Right, for everything to load. And then I'm gonna skip forward a bunch. Skip this forward a bunch. And I'm gonna set my other keyframe. And let's play that. So you would start recording, hit play, hit F1 to get rid of everything. And there'll be a glitch where the camera will be upside down. Hit the slash key to fix that once it starts. And it should all be good. And it should be playing. I didn't move my camera position, did I? Oh well, that's pretty much how you create a time-lapse and record it. And you just slap in your editing software. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and stop that now. Hit F1, and then there we go. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple, intuitive mod. I guess some people do need help, but That's a pretty simple mod once you get the hang of it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you next video or stream. This is a pretty short, easy to make video for me. I just needed something to post quickly for today. And well, comment if you have any ideas for a chance to again have one of your ideas become a video just like this one. And bye.